How to fix Shopify payment hold. So first, what you want to do is just go to your Shopify admin dashboard and then just click on this one, My Store here at the top right corner. And then just click on Help Center. Okay, after that, we're going to use this chatbot here. Just say that you want to connect me to an agent. Okay, so let's say that payments on hold. Okay, then just say yes. Okay, then after that, just ask the support advisor for instructions on how to fix it. And that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.